I have been wondering, can anyone beat Max Park's world record?
Yes!
So I tried to solve the same scramble to find out if I could beat it. First, we need to understand how Max did it. Let's reconstruct it. Just follow my gestures. When he makes the cross that is almost solved, he notices a cytopair. He insert like this. And he inserts this edge like this because he previously inserted a cytopair, corner, corresponding to this edge. Now he has double X cross. Now he inserts the free pair in the back slot. And this pair like this. OLL, and he gets a PLL skip. So let's try to solve this fast. First solve sub 6, not bad. Second was pretty bad. +2. What the frick? In the meanwhile, let's check our little store where you can buy anything related to cubing. To buy anything you want, go to cuboss.com, Cubener, and there you will find the products that I recommend after that generate the code, copy and paste for a huge discount. Back to solving a cube until I break the record. I got many bad times, some even going over 30 seconds, but I didn't give up. I got some PBs. I was happy with the progress I was doing. I slammed my cube so hard against the keyboard that it got cracks. Now the time came where I almost every time got new PBs. I reached 100th solve, so this happened. My best was 4.47 seconds, but I didn't give up. I was fixed on solving it till I got sub 4 seconds. Then this happened. After that, I was doing a solve. Then suddenly I gave up.